So hello my dear students, welcome to Ridmath J YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 from NCERT class 12 and the chapter is inverse trigonometric function. And today we are going to solve question number 6 to 10. In the previous video we have solved question number 1 to 5. If you haven't watched yet, please check the description box. So question number 6 is saying write the following function. Write the following function in the simplest form. Tan inverse x by root over a square minus x square, and the condition is given mod x is less than 1. So first exploit the condition mod x is less than a, that means x square is less than a square, that means minus x square is greater than a square, and a square minus x square is greater than 0. So because this is the root in the denominator, that means root over x square minus a square minus x square, so a square minus x square has to be greater than 0, and it is not equal to 0 because it is in the denominator. So this condition is well defined and satisfied for this argument. So let a equal to x equal to a sine theta, that means x by root over a square minus x square becomes a sine theta divided by root over a square minus a square sine square theta. So a sine theta, and the denominator is a square common, that means 1 minus sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, that means a sine theta divided by root over a square cos square theta. So a sine theta divided by a cos theta. So a got cancelled, and that means tan theta. So again we get tan inverse, and this quantity is tan theta, so that means theta. And here we have assumed that x equal to a sine theta, that means from here we get x by a equal to sine theta. So what is theta? Theta is sine inverse x by a. So this is the simplest form. Next problem, question number 7, write the following function in the simplest form. So tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3ax square. So here also we will let x equal to tan theta, a tan theta. So that means what are we getting from this quantity? So 3a square into x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. So from here we are getting 3a square into a tan theta minus a cube tan theta cube divided by a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. So from here we are getting a cube common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by, here also a cube common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So a cube got cancelled out, a cube got cancelled out. So from here we are getting 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And you know that 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to tan 3 theta. So from here we are getting tan inverse, and this quantity is tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta, that means 3 theta. And we have assumed that x equal to a tan theta, that means x by a equal to tan theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse x by a, that means 3 into tan inverse x by a. This is the simplest form or answer. So here also you can see that x is from minus a by root 3 to a by root 3, and you can easily check that a cube minus 3ax square, if we put x equal to minus a by root 3 or a by root 3, then the denominator is equal to 0. That's why these two are excluded. And why x is not greater than a by root 3, please tell me in the comment if you understand that. Next problem, find the value of the following. Problem number 8, tan inverse 2 cos 2 into sin inverse half. So tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse half, and we already know that sin inverse half is pi by 6. So tan inverse 2 cos 2 into pi by 6, that means tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3, and cos pi by 3 is 2 into half, that means tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So that means this equal to pi by 4. This is the answer. Next problem, question number 9, find the value of the following. Tan half of sin inverse 2x by x is 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So we will see that why these conditions are there. So let us take x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. So 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So that means this is equal to sine 2 theta, and from here we get 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square, that means 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. This is equal to cos 2 phi. So we are getting tan half into sine inverse sine 2 theta plus cos inverse cos 2 phi, and therefore tan half 2 theta plus 2 phi. So 2 is common and cancelled by half, so tan inverse so tan phi plus theta, that means tan, what is theta? So we have assumed that tan theta equal to x and y equal to tan phi, that means theta equal to tan inverse x plus phi equal to tan inverse y. So in the next page, so we have got tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan of tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, and you can easily check that this is xy less than 1, and this condition is given here also. For x less than 1, this is 1 plus x square in the denominator, and in the numerator 2x, this is less than 1, and this is for any y is greater than 0. For any y, this 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is less than always 1. Okay, so we can apply this formula. So now tan and tan inverse got cancelled out, So x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the simplest form or answer. Next problem. Problem number 10. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. You know that sine inverse x is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But if we cancelled sine inverse and sine, we get 2 pi by 3, which is greater than pi by 2. Okay, so we have to first calculate this expression and then apply sine inverse. So sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3, that means sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 3, and sine pi minus pi by 3 is sine pi by 3, sine inverse sine pi by 3. So that means now we can apply sine and sine inverse. So now we can apply sine inverse sine x equal to x. So that is, this is pi by 3, and this is the answer value of the expression. So thanks for watching. In the next videos we will solve from 11 onwards. Thanks once again.